What's up, everybody? Dante here. Now I have an unboxing for you. This is a MacBook Air. This is a M1 chip, you know, 256 gigabyte SSD. Long day for me, don't mind me. What we got here? 8 gigabytes of RAM. Basically the base model. You know, this is the base model, and I've heard great hype about this chip. This M1 chip's supposed to be, you know, what they saying is some of the best out there right now. Also, I heard that Adobe has recently updated the Adobe Premiere, where the Creative Cloud apps to work properly on the M1 chips. That's what I've heard. I have to see for myself. And without further ado, why am I wasting your time? Let's get straight into this. So, like I said, this is the baseline version. So I went through this little phase of what should I get? The MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, the Mac Mini. Now the Mac Mini is the cheapest out of the one, but for me, I kind of wanted something to be mobile with, you know what I mean? So I was like, all right, I want something I can kind of hook up to a monitor, have like a little desktop experience, and pick it up and go do something as far as writing a script down or doing something like that, where I ain't got to be stationary at some desk for hours at a time. And then it was up in the air between the Air or the MacBook Pro. Now the thing was that when I looked at some comparisons, they said they really couldn't recommend you spending $200 extra for maybe for a touch bar and things like that. So I was like, okay, so I get the baseline MacBook Air. Okay, what comes in? Okay, literature. I don't need to read that. Power adapter, USB Type-C, of course. I probably use this charge to be charging, you know, headphones and other things like that. So, don't mind me. Put this to the side. Let's take the plastic off this bad boy. Space gray, of course. Not against silver. You know, silver looks pretty good. And wow. And there you go. Booting up right now. I guess it took about a second or two to start booting up when I opened it up. Now I gotta go into the language and all that other stuff. Not gonna do that in this video, but stay tuned for. I'm gonna do some
English as the main language. Press the return key.
Hold on, I'll be there in just a second. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit some videos, of course, the podcast and other things like that, to see, you know, how fast it is, how well it works. If Adobe's even, you know, instead of working in Rosetta 2, they have, even if it's working natively on the M1 chip. So I gotta do all those type of tests, but stay tuned for that. You know what I mean? Hit that like button, post your comments down below. Let me know what else tests you want me to do with this. And let's see if these, I'll see for myself if these Mac 1 chips are what they all talk about. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, join the channel, helps out a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.